Hi all, welcome to the Data Mock, where we bridge the gap between the students and the jobs. In this video, we are going to learn about an important part of an interview and a one that many of the students feel very hard, guesstimates. This video is for you if you don't have any idea about a guesstimate or have no experience with guesstimates. If you want to see examples of case studies and guesstimates, please go ahead and watch our next elements of the playlist. So, with that out of the way, let's learn what are guesstimates. I believe most of you might have already guessed from the name guesstimate, right? If you break the word, you get guess and estimate, which is mostly appropriate because what happens in a guesstimate is a guess and an estimate. Guesstimate is an educated guess about a seriously vague question for which more often than not solution is not possible to find or data is publicly not available. That is where guesstimates are used. Guesstimates versus case studies. What is the difference between guesstimate and a case study? Well, basically case studies run for a long time and guesstimates are within a short period of time. In both of these, your approach is important than your provided solution. And these both are used to check what is your approach, your thinking towards any given problem. But for a guesstimate, you need to guess your real numbers, whereas in case study, you need to just study the facts in the interview. So, guys, in front of you are some examples of guesstimates and case studies. So, in the first example, as you can see on the left side, there are examples of guesstimates like how many cups of tea were consumed in India in the past week, how many iPhones are there in Bangalore, how many laptops were sold during the corona pandemic, how many cricket ball can fit on a Titanic. You see, these questions do not have any fixed answer. But whereas for case studies, you have questions like what would be the approach for introducing a product in a foreign market. We have one video on this that is named as McDonald's case study on our channel in the case study playlist itself. You can check that out. And all the topics mentioned here are covered in our net case studies. Like the second topic is there help a medical device company to increase its revenue. You need to provide some kind of deep analysis about given facts in a given case study. But in guesstimates, you have to provide approximate answers to the simple questions. You have to actually guess approximate answers to the given questions. That is the difference between guesstimates and case studies. Now let us proceed further. How to solve case studies? Assume that you start with a question. The question asks you about the number of something which you have to guess, right? Then just start with a really big amount of number from where you can use factors to cut out the portions that will be the solution for your given question. Like, just for example, consider this rectangle as your initial population that will be the answer for your question. Then you consider one fact, that is the dark blue circle, and you consider that the people inside this blue circle will be the solution. But then you consider the second circle, the second blue circle, and if you if people have both those factors, then only they are the part of your solution. Then you take the intersection part of these circles, that will be the solution part of your question. Even among that, the whole intersection is not the solution, but only the people that will be in the third factor, that is that black dot. Then that is your final solution. That's how guesstimates are solved. Now, some examples about guesstimates. Like the first example can be how many people are wearing a red shirt today. Now, this data cannot be obtained by directly going out on the field and counting the number of people. No, this is where guesstimates are used. You can only guess this kind of stuff. And then there is what is the number of steps in the interview building, or nuclear waste produced by a nuclear power plant in one day. So these are the kind of questions and a lot more of questions that we are going to solve coming up in this playlist. So get subscribed and follow the playlist along.
so that you can solve any kind of estimates and case studies by yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.